I'm Josh Duvall, Certified Financial Planner, Registered Tax Preparer from joshuaduvall.com, and I just wanted to bring you a quick video about a couple tax planning ideas that could happen right now in the year 2021, two of which could positively affect your 2020 taxes, and the other one that I think is something to think about depending on where you're at with income and kind of how job has changed related to 2020 COVID and kind of the economy. So I just wanted to bring these ideas up with you. Number one is contributing to tax-deductible IRA. So right now in the year 2021, right, we're in January, getting ready to turn the page to February here to start filing taxes. You still have the ability until April 15th to make a tax-deductible IRA contribution for the tax year 2020. So again, you heard me correctly. You can make a tax-deductible IRA contribution today, and you can have it retroactively affect the year 2020. Now, what does that mean? Well, what it means is that if you qualify, and again, there are contribution limits, there's income limits, there's details that you need to look out for your specific situation. But what that means is right now today, you could contribute $1 to an IRA. That dollar would be reduce your income. It would pull $1 off of your top line income in the year 2020. And depending on your income tax bracket, if you're in a higher bracket, let's say 20%, for example, that 20% dollar, that's 20 cents on the dollar that you would save from your taxes, right? So depending on your income tax bracket and your marginal rate, your effective rate, depending on that, that's how much you'll save in actual taxes. But regardless, that money will not only be saved for the future retirement, but it will also reduce your income in the year 2020. Again, that's a step you could take in the year 2021 that will positively affect your 2020 contributions. Something else to think about is that it may be an opportunity if you had a situation in the year 2020 where you had reduced income. Let's say you were laid off, you were furloughed, you had to change jobs. Because your income limits and you're still in that space, you know, we're obviously still in this pandemic and things with the economy haven't turned around and rebounded. So maybe you're still in that space where you're earning quite a bit less than you thought you would. That might be an opportunity for you to take a Roth contribution. So instead of worrying about reducing your income, maybe your income was already super low and you had money sitting just in a bank account. Well, that would be an opportunity to what? Contribute to a Roth IRA. Again, if you meet the contribution limits, income limits, contribute to a Roth IRA. What does that do? That allows you to save money on the dollars you're putting into that retirement. Since your income was lower, your tax bill is already going to be lower than it normally would be. You can save that money in a Roth. Again, for the year 2021, put it in today and it will retroactively affect for the year 2020. You would put that money in, and then in retirement, those funds would be tax-free. So if you're considering, hey, we had a really tough year with regard to income in the year 2020, my income was way down, maybe now's an opportunity to, instead of trying to reduce my income, maybe the opportunity was to put money into a Roth and have that be income tax-free in the future. The other thing that you could do for folks that are self-employed or run businesses is set up a SEP IRA. You have until April 15th as well to set up a SEP IRA and contribute to that and have that reduce your income tax for the year 2020. I have clients that do that, and so not only are they getting the tax benefit of retirement investing for the future, they're also reducing the income, the profit off of their business from the year 2020, which does what? It reduces their taxes. So those are just some basic ideas of things that you could think about going into this tax planning year. Now, the reason why I bring that up is because these are the types of conversations that I like to have with clients. These are the questions I like to ask. These are the things I like to discuss with my financial planning and income tax clients. If you have somebody that you're working with, or if you're doing this yourself and you're not asking these questions, you don't kind of have insight into some of these planning tips and opportunities, then I think you're really missing something. So I'd love the opportunity to talk with you about your specific situation. Feel free and shoot me an email, josh@joshuaduvall.com, or you can go to the website, joshuaduvall.com, and you can fill out a form. I'd be happy to reach out to you. We can set up a time to talk more about your specific situation. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day.